it's Martha here with LDRS Creative, and today we're gonna create a super simple, super cute little treat bag only using the Winnie Wicked paper pad. It's such a cute paper pad with adorable patterns in it. I just love it. So the first thing you're gonna need is a piece of white cardstock that measures 3 inches by 8.5 inches. And so what I did here is I scored it at 4, and then I flipped it over, and then I scored it again at 4. So then that gives you a little section like this at the bottom. So the next thing we're gonna do, lay our paper down. I'll lay it like this. And we are going to attach some pattern paper. This pattern paper is from the Wicked paper pad as well, and it measures 3 1/4 this way and 2 1/4 this way. So both do. So we're just gonna attach them. So this is gonna be our back, and then this will be the front. So we just want to make sure our banners are going the right way on that. Just gonna put some wet adhesive. Make sure it's nice and centered there. And then, so if this is our front, and then this is our back, our banners need to go like this. This is such a cute little project. When my son comes home and tells me he needs 25 for his class for his Halloween party, I have to get creative but keep it simple, right? So, okay, so this is our back and this will be our front. So let's just open it up. So I have fussy cut a few of the images from the paper pad. It's a really good paper pad for fussy cutting. So I fussy cut some skulls out of this sheet, and then I was even able to fussy cut my sentiment out of this sheet. Such a great little paper pad for that. So the next thing we're gonna do is adhere our sentiment, just kind of like about right there. And you know, if you have to make less of these for some reason, you can pop them up and you could add ribbon and twine and sequins and all that kind of stuff. But like I said, I have to make 25 of them. So I'm keeping it super simple. So I'm gonna put this little skull right there. All right, and we'll just put that aside to dry for a second. So next we're going to make a little clip, and this is just a paper clip, and we are going to use some glue dots, and we will put a few glue dots all over the back of one of the skulls. And you have to make sure for this technique that you're using the same skull from the paper pad, like 2 of the same, or from the pattern paper, 2 of the same ones. That way they will back each other nicely. Get one more on here. This does not want to stick. So we've got some on there. So the next thing we're gonna do is take our clip, and we're gonna take this side of it here and attach it right there. Then we'll take our other skull, and these aren't gonna back like perfectly because they're fussy cut, they're not dies, so they won't be identical, but we'll try our best to line them up. And that looks pretty okay there. So I'll just sit for a couple hours and fussy cut some skulls. So we have this adorable little skull paper clip. Love that. So then I've just got some fruit gushers here, and you could really use any little treat that you want, and we're just gonna place it inside of here like that. And then we will use our paper clip to close off the top. How super cute and simple is that? I just love this little project, and I love this little paper plaid. It is so perfect for things like this. It even has these really super cute bats that you could fussy cut, and you could use bats instead of the skulls, but I just adore it. So I hope you enjoyed and have a very happy, healthy, and safe Halloween. Thanks. Bye-bye.